Have you ever wanted to start a cooking vlog like this, but you are limited because you don't have a fancy kitchen, because you don't have a good phone, or probably because you are camera shy? In this video, I'll be guiding you step by step on how to start your cooking vlog. Now, you don't need a camera, you don't need a fancy kitchen, you don't need anything. All you need is AI. This AI, with AI, you're going to generate your script, you are going to generate your pictures, you are going to generate your videos, right? And I'll also be showing you how to put these pictures that you have generated and converted to videos, how you can put them together and add audio sounds to them to form a perfect video for your social media platforms. Hello there, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Emmanuel, and on this channel I teach you how to leverage on AI for content creation. If this is what you like, kindly hit on the like button, kindly subscribe to this channel, kindly share this video with friends so that YouTube can recommend it to more people. Without further ado, let's jump right to the video. So the first thing you want to do before anything else is to create or generate your prompt. So we are going to be using ChatGPT for generating this prompt, and then I'm going to be leaving this prompt in the description of this video, or you can comment prompt and I will send the prompt directly to you. And don't forget to click on the link in our description to join our support group. Yeah, on that group we support people who are content creators and we share ideas for growth and for monetization. So you're going to copy your first prompt and you're going to paste it on ChatGPT. So when you're new to ChatGPT, ensure you register. It is pretty straightforward. You just click on the sign up button and then you register, or you click on login and you're right there. So this prompt says generate 3 detailed prompts for 3 different scenes of a dark-skinned lady cooking. The first scene shows her in the kitchen watching vegetables, another scene of her cutting vegetables, and the last scene of her frying vegetables. Give detailed description of the lady to ensure that the character of the lady is consistent and the kitchen design should be consistent as well. So this is the prompt, and this is how to write your prompt very detailed so that you can get the best out of AI. So once we have our prompt there, we're going to click here and then we'll wait for ChatGPT to generate this prompt for us, right? So we'll just wait for a bit. So it seems ChatGPT is just going ahead to generate images for us, but that's not what we want. So we're going to just tell ChatGPT to generate prompt for us. So these are one of the things you get when you start using AI. So sometimes AI gets to fumble and then you have to just tweak it a little bit to get the best out of it. We could actually use ChatGPT to generate this image, but I want to show you another tool for image generation. So we'll just wait for this image to finish generating and then we'll just tell ChatGPT to generate prompts for us, because we don't need image from ChatGPT at this point. So ChatGPT is done generating, so we'll just tell it to please generate the prompt for us. So wait for it. So here are the prompts. ChatGPT has generated the prompt for us. So we're going to be copying this prompt one after the other to another website. So we'll copy the first prompt and then I will take you to that website. So the second website we're going to be using for this image generation is PicLumen. So I'll be leaving the link to this website or to all the websites we've used in this video in the description of this video, so you can kindly check it out. So we'll come to PicLumen and then we're going to paste our prompt here, right? So once you are on PicLumen, so let me go back to home so that you see how it looks like. So once you are here, you will see an interface like this. So you just click on this generate for free, right? You click on it and then it will take you to the next interface where you can go ahead to paste your prompt. So we are here and then we'll click on this box here that says describe your image, and then we're going to paste our prompt. So once you paste your prompt, you're going to see an icon like this. you click on the icon and then you select the aspect ratio of your image. So if you're designing for YouTube, you use a 16:9, but if you're designing for short or for TikTok, you use 9:16. But for this tutorial, we are designing for YouTube, so we're going to click 16:9 aspect ratio, and then we're going to click on this arrow key to get PicLumen to generate this image for us. So we'll wait for it. It is in queue, and we'll just wait for a bit. Sometimes it takes time, but for sometimes it's a bit faster. So yeah, you can see PicLumen has generated the first image for us, right? But if you don't like it, you can go ahead to still regenerate. So that is how AI works. Sometimes you don't really get the perfect image at a go, so you have to just tweak some things a little bit and you go ahead to generate again. So we'll come back to the second prompt, and then we're going to copy our second prompt here, and then we'll head back to PicLumen. And then we're going to paste the prompts. So we'll just click and then we'll select it and we'll click on generate. So we'll wait for it to generate our image for us. So it seems PicLumen is fast today. Yeah. So yeah, you can see it has generated completely, right? And the characters are consistent, but the clothes are not the same, right? So we can still go back to ChatGPT, and then we'll prompt ChatGPT to regenerate the prompt for us. So you can just tell ChatGPT to regenerate the prompt for you, and then you specify that it should ensure that the clothes and everything is the same. So that is how you prompt AI, right? So but let's just continue, since I believe you are clear with this step. So we'll just copy the third prompt, and then we'll go back to PicLumen again, and then we're going to paste the third prompt and we'll click on generate. So we'll wait for it to generate. So once your image is done generating, for those of you using mobile phone, you will see this three dot here. You just click on it and then you can see the download option here. But if you're on your PC, you just simply click on this down arrow here, and then it will download to your device. So we'll just download all of them, and then we'll have them downloaded this way. Yeah. So we'll go to another AI that will help us animate these images to videos. So it's going to convert these images for us into videos. So the name of this website is HalluAI.video. So I will leave the link to this website in the description of this video. So now that we're on this website here, you are going to see this option that says create video. So you click on this option, and then you're going to see it's going to ask you type your idea. So you can either use text to video, or you can use image to video. But for this tutorial, we're going to be using image to video. So we'll just click on this, and then we're going to upload our images. So remember, we downloaded 3 images. So we'll just head on to our downloads, and then we're going to click on this and we'll open it. So we'll wait for it to load. So this is the image of her washing vegetable, and that's the first image we generated. So we'll now go back to ChatGPT again, and we're going to copy this first prompt. Remember, this prompt that you use to generate your image is the same prompt you are going to use to animate these images to videos. So don't forget that. So you just paste the prompt here on HalluAI, and then you're going to click on create. So we'll just wait for it to animate our video. So it's going to animate this scene for us. So it's generating. Let's wait for it. So we're going to wait for a bit. So it's telling us 22 minutes. So we're going to wait, and I'm going to pause this video, and then I will resume when our video is done generating. Alright, so our video is done generating. So let's just play it and see what it looks like. So you can see it. Yeah, we have it there beautiful and nicely. So all we need to do is to download it onto our device. So just click on it and then we're going to save it onto our device. So just click on download and then we're going to download it to our device. So we're going to go back and we're going to do the same for the two other images that we generated. Yeah, so we're going to go back here and then we're going to click here and we're going to be adding the second image, which is this, and we'll click open. So wait for it to load on MiniMax. So wait for it to load. All right, so it's downloading and this is the image of her cutting the vegetables. So we'll go back to ChatGPT and then we're going to copy this second prompt here. Right, we'll copy this prompt here and we're going to go back to MiniMax AI and we're going to paste it here. So we'll paste it here and we're going to click on create. So we're going to wait for it to generate our image to video. So it's going to animate and generate our video for us. So I will still pause this and I'll come back when it's done generating. All right, so our second image is done generating. So let's just click on it and see how it looks like. So this is our second image. It is done generating and then we'll just hit on download to download it. So you can go ahead to do the same thing for your third image. So I'll assume you have generated your third image. I will generate mine as well and then we'll head on to CapCut and we'll try to put everything together. So see you in CapCut. Now we are in the CapCut interface and we are going to edit our video. Want to edit this project, so we're going to click on create new project and we're going to select the videos we have, that is the short clips that we have. So we'll select the first video of her washing the vegetables, select the second one of her frying, and we'll select the third one of her frying, that is washing, cutting and frying. So we have the three clips and we're going to click add. So we're going to add them onto our project. So now that we have them here, we're going to play them and we're going to see the transition between the three videos. Yeah, so we have them there nicely. So we're going to click on add audio and we're going to click on sound effects. So we're going to search for a sound that suits the activity she's performing at this time. So we're going to search for tap water. So we're going to search for tap water drip and we'll wait for it to load. So we have it. So let's just play it and see what it sounds like. So we're actually going to look for the one that matches our video. So I think we can use this. We'll just add this to our project and let's play it. Yeah. So this is looking nice. So we're going to have it here and then we're going to cut this sound effect from here and then we're going to head back to audio again, and we're going to sound FX, and we're going to search for the second sound, which is chopping vegetable. So we're going to search for a matching sound. So let's play this and see. Yeah, so we can use this, but depending on the kind of video you have, you can take your time to look for the sound that best matches the action. So let's play it. Yeah, so we have it there nicely, and we're going to trim it from here. So but remember, depending on the video you're using, so you get the sound that matches the action. So the frying sound, so let's get it, sound FX, and let's search for frying sound. So we're going to search for frying sound. So let's play this. Let's play the second one and see if it's better. So I think we'll just go with the first one. So let's play it and see. Yeah. So you can see the sound is blending well with our video right there. So we'll come to the end of this, and we're going to trim it right there. So we're going to trim it here, and we're going to delete this. So now that we have these 4 videos, we're going to add an animation transition. So let's just click on it, wait for it to load. If our internet is good, it should come up soon. So it seems our internet is not so good, so all you need to do is to add a smooth blend, maybe a fading transition from one video to the other, so that your video has a nice smooth blend. And another thing you want to do, since you're creating a vlog, is to do a voiceover. So you can just come to audio here, and then you just swipe. You can see where you have record here. All right, so when you click on this record here, click on it, it's going to count down, and then you can start recording your vlog and talking about what you're creating, what you're cooking, and all of that. So guys, you can see that this tutorial is very helpful, and you don't need to have a camera or any fancy kitchen before you can create a video. What is stopping you guys? I need you to take action right now. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friend, and tell us what AI tool you want us to talk about, or what tutorial you want us to create next, and we're going to create that just for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.